What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna replace start solenoid right down here at the back of the engine. Just go down right there. Symptoms of a bad solenoid is that you just get a clicking noise when you try to crank the engine and you won't get any crank. So I'm gonna show you how I replace this. Alright, so I lined up some miscellaneous tools here, and here are the new solenoids. And just unpack that one and have a look. So what we need is some sort of adjustable wrench here, and also these screws seem to be a flathead, but also something you could put a wrench on, I think. Yeah, so it's either flathead or a wrench. And then you have cables here. So got cables here. We got a black one, a yellow one, and then we got a red one, and one yellow with red on it. Yeah, and these just seem to pop off, but these I need to take some tools and also remove it from there. Yeah, I'm gonna try, I don't know, this one maybe. See, yeah, it works perfectly. That's an 11 millimeter. It fits perfectly on that one as well. And this one just popped off. Yeah, so let's just remove these and try to install the new one. Right, that was actually quite easy. This was easy to access. The other one down there, you couldn't reach it with a socket, so you need a screwdriver, and make sure that you have a wide enough head on the screwdriver. Get a good grip there. Alright, so the tools I used was 11 millimeter socket here. I used a 10 millimeter socket here, and due to lack of space, I used a pretty wide and thick flathead down there. Yeah, and these just pop right on and off, so no tools needed there. Pretty straightforward, took maybe 10 minutes total efficient time. Alright guys, there you have it. I showed you how to fix it. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching. Hope you liked this video. Hit a like, subscribe, and also give a comment if you want to have a discussion about this. Right, see you later. Bye.